If you often suffer from gas, acidity, nausea, indigestion, that means you have poor digestive health. That also means that your gut needs good bacteria or probiotics that can help absorb nutrients from the food to make digestion easier and to give you good digestive health. And in order to have a good digestive health, you need probiotics. So let us get started with our homegrown probiotic, which is a stepping stone to having a good gut health. For this recipe of ginger bug, we need 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder or sweetener of choice. You can use any sweetener that you want, and then we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of grated ginger. Since I have used my homegrown ginger, I have used the peel along with it. And if you do not get your hands on organic ginger or homegrown ginger, then you can scrap the peel and you can scrap the sides or skin of ginger and use it in the recipe. You will need to add 2 tablespoons of grated ginger. Now cover with a cloth tightly and leave it at room temperature for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you will need to repeat this feeding cycle. This is day 2 and you will need to check it, and then you will need to repeat the same feeding proportions of 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of jaggery and 2 tablespoons of water. Repeat these feeding proportions every day, every 24 hours, for at least 5 or 6 days. You will need to check after the 5th day whether your ginger bug is ready. And since ginger is an antispasmodic and has carminative properties, it can relieve gas and bloating. So that is why we are making a probiotic with ginger. And if you suffer from motion sickness, even then this recipe can come in handy. However, this is just the stepping stone to making our probiotic. So repeat these feeding cycles every day for the 3rd, 4th and 5th day. And if your drink is not ready, if your ginger bug is not ready on the 5th day, if it does not get bubbly, if it does not get too much bubbly on the 5th day and smells strongly of ginger, then you can continue the feeding cycle for the 6th day as well. After the 6th day, it should be ready. However, it depends on the weather and climate conditions at your place. The warmer the weather, the quicker the fermentation of ginger along with the sweetener that we have used. So this is how my ginger bug looks like. Look at the top layer, bubbly layer. This is quite bubbly on top. So this is a sign that my ginger bug is ready for use. How is it ready for use? How will I be using it to make my own probiotic? I'll be using it to make our ginger ale, which is a probiotic, and we'll be making it with ginger bug. And ginger bug is just like your homegrown yeast. And this is the stepping stone to making your own probiotic drink, that is ginger ale. And after your ginger bug is ready, either on the 5th or 6th day, you will need to refrigerate it. You will need to refrigerate it and feed it once a week. That means every 7 days you will need to feed it with the same proportions: 2 tablespoons of jaggery, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of jaggery and 2 tablespoons of grated ginger. And next we'll be making our own probiotic drink with this ginger bug. And this is what I made with my ginger bug. That is, this is Mirinda, my own probiotic orange juice that I fermented for 4 or 5 days by adding orange juice, little amount of jaggery powder and ginger bug. And this gave me a fizzy drink after 4 or 5 days, which is excellent for your gut. Look at the bubbles on the top of the orange juice. These bubbles are a sign that your ginger ale or ginger drink or orange fermented orange or fizzy orange juice is ready. Write to me in comments if there is any confusion in making your own ginger bug with jaggery. So stay tuned until next time for ginger ale recipe.